Want to grow your own food or build a beautiful garden but have no idea where to start? Discover how to use free AI to design your perfect backyard garden in minutes. Seriously, you do not need a green thumb or years of experience. Today, we are breaking down how anyone can go from a blank, confusing backyard to a thriving, organized garden paradise using completely free artificial intelligence tools. Planning a garden can feel totally overwhelming. You have to figure out your soil type, understand your climate zone, choose plants that actually grow together, and somehow design a layout that looks good. If you make a mistake, you waste time and money on plants that just wither away. But what if you had a master gardener in your pocket, ready to answer every question instantly? That is exactly what we are going to do today using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Let us start with step number 1. Finding your perfect plants. To get the best results, you need to feed the AI the right information. Do not just ask it what to plant. Instead, tell the AI your specific location or USDA hardiness zone. If you do not know your zone, just tell the AI your city and zip code. Next, describe your space. Is it a sunny backyard, a shady balcony, or a small patio? Finally, tell it your goals. Do you want easy-to-grow vegetables, colorful flowers that attract bees, or low-maintenance shrubs? Here is a simple prompt you can copy and paste. Act as an expert horticulturist. I live in Seattle, Zone 8B. I have a 10 by 10 foot raised bed that gets 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. I want to grow organic vegetables that are easy for beginners. Recommend 5 companion plants that will thrive together in this space, and explain why they work well as neighbors. Within seconds, the AI will generate a highly customized list. It will tell you to plant things like tomatoes next to basil because they naturally repel pests and improve each other's flavor. This saves you hours of research and guarantees your plants will actually get along. Now for step number 2, designing your garden layout. This is where people usually get stuck. How do you actually arrange these plants so they all get enough light and space? We can use AI to build a custom blueprint. You can ask ChatGPT or Gemini to create a literal text-based ASCII grid map of your garden. Try asking the AI this: create a visual grid layout for my 10 by 10 foot garden bed using the 5 plants you recommended. Show me exactly where to place each plant using a simple text grid, keeping in mind their mature sizes and sunlight needs. The AI will output a clean, easy-to-read grid showing you exactly where to dig. It will place taller plants like corn or tomatoes on the north side so they do not cast shadows on shorter plants like lettuce and spinach. If you want to see what your garden could look like in real life, you can take those layout descriptions and paste them into free AI image generators like Bing Image Creator or Canva. Just type in a beautiful, realistic backyard raised garden bed with tomatoes, basil, and marigolds, sunny day, overhead view. Instantly, you have a visual concept to inspire you. Step number 3 is all about timing, which brings us to your custom planting schedule. Knowing when to plant is just as important as knowing what to plant. If you put seeds in the ground too early, a late frost could kill them. If you plant too late, the summer heat might ruin your harvest. You can ask your AI assistant to generate a step-by-step planting calendar. Use a prompt like, based on my location in Seattle, create a month-by-month planting and harvesting schedule for my recommended plants. Format this as a clean table showing when to start seeds indoors, when to transplant them outside, and when to harvest. Just like that, you get a personalized, highly accurate calendar. You can print this out, stick it on your fridge, and know exactly what garden chores you need to do each week. No more guessing, and no more missed opportunities. Finally, step number 4, your ongoing garden companion. Once your garden is planted, the journey is not over. Plants get thirsty, pests arrive, and leaves change color. This is where AI truly shines as a daily assistant. You can use free mobile apps for ChatGPT or Gemini to take photos of your plants. If you notice yellowing leaves or strange spots, simply take a picture and upload it to the AI. Ask, what is wrong with my tomato plant, and how do I fix it organically? The AI will analyze the photo, diagnose the issue, whether it is overwatering, a nutrient deficiency, or a specific pest, and give you safe, actionable steps to save your plant. It is like having a plant doctor on call 24/7. Using these free tools removes all the guesswork and anxiety from gardening. You get to enjoy the therapeutic process of watching things grow, without the stress of constant trial and error. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your phone or computer, open up a free AI tool, and start planning your dream garden today. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical AI guides. Let me know in the comments what you plan on growing this year. Happy gardening, and I will see you in the next video.